Hi everyone, I'm Eric, and I'm the man behind EJB Dev Design. And you may meet Sid today. He's my cat. He's running around in the background. But I just wanted to introduce you to my business. So, what do? I'm a web designer. I'm a web developer, and I dabble in no-code. I started doing this for freelance efforts in 2020 when the pandemic came through and shut a lot of jobs down. And I wanted to walk you through my site. So in terms of services, I offer web design and development, branding and brand design. I'm learning copywriting, so I offer that at a discounted rate. I've got over 10 years of managing people and projects that I can bring to the table in a consultative fashion if you need some assistance with business management for starting new small businesses or medium-sized businesses as well. I was a manager in the business process outsourcing environment for well over a decade, and I have a lot to bring to the table from that experience, both from an operations management perspective, managing budgets and personnel, and a project management perspective, managing technologies and things like that. I've got over 200 pre-made examples in my work portfolio. I highlight 3 key ones on my landing page: a custom-coded travel blog, an example of a site for a contractor business, or a freelance artist. Those are 3 areas where I'm trying to do work in the local community, but I can branch out and do sites for a multitude of purposes. In terms of the team, it's me primarily, of course, but there are some freelance writers and other designers that I may work with from time to time. I may contract out pieces of the work depending on how big the project is that you would like to contract me for. And that's basically that. You can book with me on my landing page or via my portfolio, which I'll take you through next. So my portfolio site, EJBDevdes, goes into more detail than my landing page, EJBdevdes.com. So on EJBDevdes, you will find this portfolio example here, and there's just a numerous amount of sites that you can preview and check the mobile responsiveness of the sites. For example, you can change your screen size from a large display to mobile or tablet device, and there's a search feature as well. So if you're not seeing in the first few rows what you're looking for, don't hesitate to use the search feature and see what maybe I would be able to do for you. And if you're not seeing that there's a template that you really enjoy, don't let that stop you from reaching out, because I can do custom solutions as well. I really wanted to start this video today just to show you a full-scale project that's covering the scope of the services that I can provide. So this site is Nickel Madigan's. It's a small business that is getting started in the custom fiber dyes and fabric dyes, like apparel, quilting fabric, art yarn, things like that. It's a really cool business, and I designed this landing page, and I've also designed the shop for this site, which we're looking at now. They offer subscription services that I'm helping them develop some marketing around. This is the shop. If we do a quick refresh, you can see that it's dynamic. So most of the time I'm working on a bug where the shop sometimes loads the product cards a little too big, but other than that, it's just launched today, so there's still some ironing out to be done, but it's pretty smooth sailing. In terms of marketing services that I'm working on them with, they are running a newsletter, which you're welcome to subscribe to, and it's linked to in the bottom banner on the site. It's run through Beehive, but I can experiment and work on newsletters across multiple services, ConvertKit, MailChimp. And that's a little bit about what we've got going on with Nickel Madigan. So this new site is going to be added to my portfolio on my featured area of my landing page later today. So keep your eyes tuned to the YouTube internet space for more updates from me. Please feel free to like, subscribe, follow, all of that on my socials. Check out my links. But right above my site examples, we're going to see work that lives live on the internet, and we're going to see project examples, live projects there later today on the site. So stay tuned.